Hi, this video is all about how to take the meeting in the Google Meet and how to record the Google Meet meeting, right? So basically, in Google Meet, there is no such recording option. But to record the meeting, so what you have to do, you have to take the premium version. So today's video is all about how to take the pre-meeting in Google Meet and how you can record the session, right? So let example, what you have to do. I'm just showing you. Right now, whatever the screen you are seeing right now, it is the recorded screen of Google Meet. So here the recording is going on, right? So how to take a meeting in the Google Meet? I just show you, right? So you just go for any browser, then you can search here the Google Meet. So here you can find the option Google Meet online meeting. So here you can create a new meeting and you can take the meeting. You can create the meeting for the future purpose, like create a meeting for the latter and start an instant meeting. And you can schedule the meeting as well, right? So if you want to take the instant meeting, you can take go for this one, right? So you can go for this one and you will find a screen like this, right? So here you can send the meeting link from here, otherwise you can send the meeting link from here, right? So this way you can do, but I'm not doing this one now. So what I have to do, right? So now how we can record the session in the Google Meet. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go for the Chrome and you just have to download a extension named as Screenly. So go for this one, right? You will find the screen like this. So go for this one. So here you can install the Screenly, and once it will be done, it will be downloaded. Then here you will find a option add in Chrome. Alright. So already in my screen it is downloaded. That's why it is showing like to remove, right? But in your screen it will show you to add in the Chrome. And once it will be added, right? You will find here like option like here screenly only visible here, right? So here what you have to do, you just have to pin this one, right? Already in my screen it is pinned, right? So you have to pin this one, and after once you will do the pin, so you will find the option like here. So here you will find the option like this, right? So now how to take the meeting, right? So how to record? So once it will be visible over here, then you will just have to go for this one, and here you will find like here the recording is going on, right? So that's why stop recording is showing, right? But here you will find a option start recording, right? And once start recording is you have click, you just what you have to do, you have to select this both checkbox should be selected, and here you have to like click here the current tab as well, right? You have to select the current tab and record mic sound and all, so that recording will started. So now the screen is the screen recording is going on, right? So now let example I will show you like another screen, how it is going on, right? So let example I just have to go for the any other screen like this, right? If I will minimize from this one and I will show you my like a windows and a desktop and all, so what will happen, so those things will not record, right? Those screen will never record, right? Because this screen only recorded, right? So for that what you have to do, if you want to enter screen should be recorded, you just have to go for the main screen. This is the main screen where you have so share the screen. So from this screen only you have to minimize, then you will see that all the screen will be recorded, right? So this way you can record the screen, and once the meeting will be over, then what you have to do, just go for this one, and then here you will find the option stop recording. You will find the option stop recording. You just have to click here the stop recording. After stop recording, what you will find, you will find a option like this. You will find a option like this. Here you can visualize, like you can check the recording, right? And here you can click on the download option. If you click here the download option, within a second it will be downloaded and it will be come to your like a download file, right? So after once it will be downloaded, then what you have to do, you can go back here and you can mention the topic name. right? You can like rename and you can give the topic name. So right now, let example, I will take a meeting for the 1 hour, so that the data length will be more, right? And it will be like a 200 MB or some GB, right? So in that case, how you can share to someone, right? So you can share through the WhatsApp or mail, right? So what you can do, you can offload those data in your drive. So you just have to go for your drive. You just have to go for your drive, right? In drive, you can go for the new, and then here you can offload your data. So here you can go for the download and then select, then you can upload, right? So it will be like here, it will come like to here, right? And once it will come to the your drive, what you can do, you just go for this one and you can go for the share option. And in share option, if you want to like share the recording to some specific person, right? So you can add on their mail ID over here, right? You just have to add their mail ID over here, and at a time you can add to like a multiple mail ID over here. And after adding the mail ID, you just have to click on done, right? This way you can share to some specific person. But if you want to like allow the recording for the publicly, anyone can like watch. So what you have to do, just go for this one, then you can go for the anyone this link. So then after, just copy the link, then you just click on done, and you can share the link to anyone. So the people having the link, they can watch your video, right? So this way you can share the recording